Introducing the InoKraft Sandblaster, the ultimate tool for powerful rust and paint removal. It delivers airflow reaching up to 287 meters per second with a precision ceramic nozzle effortlessly blasting away corrosion even in tight spaces. Perfect for beginners, this all-in-one kit includes a 900 cubic centimeter hopper, extension nozzle, safety goggles, and more. Everything you need to start, compact and compatible with most 60 to 120 pounds per square inch air compressors. It makes EII projects easy and fun. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comments. Discover BlasterGlass, the ultimate solution for surface treatment and cleaning. Compatible with pneumatic compression machines, it works perfectly for wet or dry sandblasting on a variety of surfaces like metal, wood, stone, and concrete. With its precision particle size of 0.3 mm to 0.6 mm, you can easily control pressure and spraying time for perfect results. Safer than traditional sand, BlasterGlass are higher abrasive power and better efficiency, all at a great value. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the Metabo SSP 1000, a versatile sandblaster gun perfect for removing rust and paint residue from corners, joints, and smaller surfaces. Designed to work with all current steel media, it offers universal use and is ideal for tackling small areas with precision. The jet nozzle crafted from hardened steel ensures durability and a long service life. Whether you're restoring metal or preparing surfaces, the Metabo SSP 1000 makes your job easier. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Introducing the EBTOOLS Sandblaster, the perfect tool for all your surface preparation needs. Featuring a precise 1/4 inch stainless steel needle and nozzle set, it ensures consistent atomization and particle size for flawless coating application. Its lightweight, ergonomic design makes it comfortable to use for extended periods, while the easy trigger pivot reduces fatigue. The quick plug connector allows for fast and hassle-free setup. When painting or cleaning, the EBTOOLS Sandblaster delivers soft, controlled spray with high transfer efficiency. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking for an efficient and easy-to-use tool for your sanding and polishing projects? Meet the OVAQUIXI Sandblaster. Made from durable apps, it features a comfortable anti-slip handle and a sleek, ergonomic design that reduces fatigue during use. With a capacity of 510 milliliters and a maximum pressure of 90 pounds per square inch, this versatile tool is perfect for finishing light metals, small corners, and more. Its smooth sandblasting and quick connect feature boost your productivity effortlessly. You'll find the link in the description and in the pinned comment. Introducing the Fockety Sandblaster, your perfect partner for precise surface cleaning and restoration. With an adjustable flow valve and replaceable nozzle, you can easily control particle size and blasting pattern to fit your project. Its large capacity hopper works with various media like sand, baking soda, and walnut shells, making rust, paint, and dirt removal effortless. Lightweight and ergonomic, it's ideal for detailed craft work or DIY. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the FTVOGUE Sandblaster, your perfect tool for all your surface cleaning and preparation needs. With its compact design measuring approximately 6.7 inches in width and a handle length of about 4.1 inches, this portable pneumatic sandblaster is easy to handle and store. It features a small nozzle, making it ideal for detailed work on various surfaces. Whether you're EIA enthusiast or professional, the FTVOGUE Blaster offers reliable performance and versatility. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment.